Here is another stage of cutting this rabbet. Here's the rabbet that I've done on one of the turrets, and this is the one I'm working now. And the step that I'm doing is removing these reeds, or whatever you call them, that were put in there, beads that were put in during the turning process. So I've just got to, let's see, I'm going against the grain there. I need to turn this around and come this way. So just get that down a little bit. Get rid of this little piece here. Just go a little bit deeper with that. Alright, so I want to show you, I've got to come down 3/16. Here you can see the border of how far I need to come down. And I will use a little saw here to cut the back edge of this. So I've got the small teeth. This is a very thin blade, and I want to be 1/8 off this face, which is the width of that bead. So I'll just start a curve here. This is a Japanese saw. It's the thinnest blade, and often I'll use this to trim off various things, and it works quite well. And I can bend it while I'm sawing, so that is handy sometimes. I'm probably not going down the full 3/16 that I need to get out of this. Let's see, if I'm down below the teeth there, yeah, I am. I'm probably at an 1/8 or something like that. So now that I've got that slice back there, I can't get the saw in this area here, so this will have to be done with just some chisel slices. But the next step then is to just, well, what I'll do is turn this around, and I can go this way and knock off material. But it's a little bit harder for me to see where I need to go. And if I go like this, I've got a better view of the depth that needs to be removed here. So I can come in here like this. I don't know, it may be easier. Sometimes I'll switch back and forth, I guess. Now I've got a tight grip on it with my left hand because that gives me the brakes so I don't slip and go too far back and knock that bead off. So this is working pretty well. Coming in like this. And I was thinking I might do another chop down with the carving gouge on this circular path, but I'm not sure I really need to do that. Oop! Oh shoot. This is going to be a glue job.